everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to perform back hook close spin. But before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to click the bell so then you're going to get notifications when I upload a new video. So now let's get started with this tutorial. So first step is going to be the neutral posture. So shoulders up, back and down, chest facing up. This is going to be our neutral posture. So now our arms on the pole. Inside arm will grab the pole above your head. Outside arm will grab the pole close to your chest. Then turn your body toward the pole. So now legs on the pole. So we are facing the pole. Now slightly bend your knees like you're going to sit down. Turn your head toward the inside arm. Then tilt your body to the opposite weight of your inside arm. Then start to spin around the pole until the back of your knees touch the pole. Then bend your knees and let it go. The momentum will depend on your distance between your butt and the pole. When you push your body far away from the pole, you're going to have better momentum. Also, your head will help you to spin around when you turn your head toward the inside arm. So now let's put everything together. But first step is neutral posture. So shoulders up, back and down. Grab the pole with your arms. Then slightly bend your knees like you are going to sit down. Then turn your head toward your inside arm. Then tilt your body to the opposite weight of your inside arm. Then turn your body around the pole until the back of your knees touch the pole. Then bend your knees and let it go. So it looks like this. So now let's do the same with the other side. First step, shoulders up, back and down. This is the neutral posture. Grab the pole with your hands. Turn your body toward the pole. Then slightly bend your knees like you're going to sit down. Turn your head toward the inside arm. Tilt your body to the opposite weight of your inside arm. Then start to spin around the pole until the back of your knees touch the pole. Then let it go. So it will look like this. Thank you everybody for watching my channel. I hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share my video with others who are learning this beautiful technique. Don't forget to follow me on social media and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.